Masui means waterless. With masui cooking or waterless cooking, you can intensify the natural flavors of each ingredient by slowly cooking them without adding water or extra seasoning. This is achieved by the precision seal of the pot, which traps the flavorful juices of the ingredients inside. Let's try masui cooking with our classic minestrone recipe. First, cut all your vegetables into the same size. This will allow the ingredients to cook evenly. By chopping vegetables into smaller pieces, it makes the juices come out easier. Oil the pot and sauté some garlic and bacon first. Then layer the vegetables. As a general rule of thumb, vegetables with higher water content should go in first. This will prevent scorching. There's no need to add water since the pot's precision seal traps the steam and keeps the juices from evaporating. For masui cooking, always use low heat. See how much liquid is drawn out from the vegetables? Since the soup wasn't diluted with water, you can enjoy the pure flavors of the ingredients. Now let's go through the summary of masui cooking tips. Make sure to cut all vegetables in similar sizes. As a basic rule, vegetables with higher water content should go first in the pot. There's no need to use excess seasoning or water. With no water, the natural flavors are so intense that you can keep seasonings to a minimum, resulting in healthy eating. Always use low heat. For more recipes for masui cooking, come visit our website. Masui cooking is a perfect example of ingredient-forward cooking, and that's what we believe in. Enjoy healthy and flavorful dishes with masui cooking.